All right, gentlemen. I think I got another one in the can here. Holding the line for Whitesburg. This is what the final mastering project looks like. The in my workflow, the creative process extends into the mastering stage. That's rather a modern thing, but it kind of goes with the territory of being an in the box guy wearing many different hats. Now, right here, you'll see backing vocals. I'm aware that you want to hear both versions where I've done backing vocals. In my opinion, the backing vocals really bring this back to the time, the period of the reference albums, and I think that you'll prefer it. But I will send a print to Brian without the backing vocals for your review and consideration. Backing vocals and a few other things going on. This down here, you'll hear what that is at the tail end of it, and this stuff down here, you'll hear what this is too. I kind of hit on a new maneuver, something I'd never done before, but I thought I'd give it a try. I think it worked. Basically, I printed or I mixed down the master, and then I re-imported it into the mastering project. And for most of the duration of the song, the volume is at minus infinity. Can't hear it at all. But then this is a volume drawing envelope. It sort of comes in and out a little bit here, and it comes in and out a little bit more over here. And well, I've got that running into my parallel bus architecture over here, doing some things that, well, it imparts dramatic movement. Let's put it that way. So that's enough said. I got to get up early for work here in a few hours, so I'm going to go ahead and play this thing. Kindly let us know what you think. And once again, I'll send an alternate version without the backing vocals to Brian. Hope this video finds you well. I am making good progress here, and well, efficiency is improving, and as I get a handle on it, as I get a rhythm and some regularity to my workflow, it's going to tick along faster as I go, and the next album I anticipate is going to not going to take nearly so long. Knock on wood. All right. Okay. God bless. And I look forward to hearing your feedback. God bless. Over and out.
taste the morning dew from the mountain. A dense fog rises up from my home. Been watching over Whitesburg and the townsmen. No, I'm not standing here alone. It's been a couple of years. Hell, I don't know. It feels like more. The changing seasons bring me back. I can feel that damn bloody war. It took my uncle Elijah, we laid him to rest, and an old friend from childhood, a warrior that was blessed. They rode in, we rode out, fight enemies and friends. It was time to back them down. That was a time when we were all dodging lead. I'm holding the line for Whitesburg, holding it for the Rebs. Father fought son. The angel of death carried his own damn gun. I can hear the river crying from its blood-stained rocky bed. The sound of soldiers dying by black powder and lead. Echoes from these battlegrounds run deep to our veins. Walk among the dead that fought in the grave. Took my uncle Elijah, laid him to rest, and an old friend from childhood, a warrior that was blessed. They rode in, we rode out, fight enemies and friends. It was time to back them down. That was a time when we were all dodging lead. Holding the line for Whitesburg, holding it for the Rebs. That was a time when we were